I finished the row and turn my work. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch and decrease last 2 stitches. So after decreasing the last 2 stitches, turn your work and decrease first 2 stitches. And then single crochet in each stitch across. Now look here. This part should be straight and this is the part we decrease. It means decrease and then single crochet in each, turn your work, single crochet in each, decrease last 2 stitches, turn your work, decrease first 2 stitches, single crochet in each, and continue this for 5 more rows until you have 7 stitches left. And you don't need to make a chain 1 at the beginning of the row, or if you want, you can do it. So I reached the end of the row and I have 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn, and crochet 6 rows with no decreases and no increases. So I did my 6 rows, chain 2 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, make 1 half double and 1 single crochet. Single crochet in the rest of stitches and decrease the last 2. You should have 7 stitches at the end. Chain 1 and turn, and single crochet 1 row with no increases and no decreases. Chain 1 and turn, decrease first and last 2 stitches and single crochet in between. In this row you will have 5 stitches. Do it 1 more row the same way. You should have 3 stitches at the end. So I have 3 stitches now. Chain 1 and turn, and decrease all 3 stitches. This is how it looks like so far. At the other side, I didn't cut the yarn, so chain and attach it to the other side. How many chains? As many as you want. So I made 60 chains, and now I want to attach it to the other side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. So attach it to the last stitch of the other side with a slip stitch. So grab the yarn, pull it through, and make a slip stitch. And then pull it out. Now we're gonna do the edging. Before start edging, thread your needle and hide the tail at the back of your work. For edging, right side of your work should be facing you. This bulgy part is the wrong side and here's the right side. I attached my new color in one of the middle stitches at the bottom of the bib. So take your new color and attach it. Pull it through. Take the short tail. Chain 1 to secure. And make a single crochet in the same stitch. And then I pull a short tail to tighten it. Make 1 single crochet all the way across. And I take this short tail along to hide it. The small holes are visible, so you can make a single crochet in each of them. Try to find hidden holes as well and make a single crochet all the way across. So I show a few of them with my hook, like here and here. And try not to have big gaps between your single crochets. So reach the part where the strand is attached and make single crochets the way you see in video. And continue making single crochets all the way across. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first single crochet. You can cut your yarn here or crochet another row. I want to make another row making half double crochets. So for the second row, I made a chain 1 and 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Skip the next, made 2 half double crochets in the next. Skip the next, 2 half double crochets in the next, and continue the process. So I finished the second row, made a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn, and then hide the tail at the back of your work. It looks like a cat, so with a black color, you can sew eyes, nose, mouth, and mustache for it. Hope you enjoy making it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting! Bye!